Today's frustration is brought to you by this grease fitting.
It's time to make the donuts.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. I'm sitting here with my Factory 533 version 2, and I am having a grease fitting clearance issue on my front end. And so I've tried a few things, but I think I have a solution, and we're going to try to finish that today and get that all freed up. So this grease fitting goes here, but it's shooting up on a 20-degree angle, which is hitting the bottom of this when it's here. And so one, there's no way to get a grease fitting on. Two, when you go to actually put grease in the car, the wheels are going to be down, which means this is going to be up and it's going to be actually hitting this thing. So we're going to try putting in a right angle plug, and then if we need to grind a little clearance off of this, we're going to do that. But there is some positioning you have to do with this, so I want to make sure that once we get the right angle in, that this will be clear. Well, that's it for this video. Stay tuned until next time where we do all the brake lines.